and professors. First, we would like to thank you to Ieom Society for the opportunity today to present our design. Please let me introduce myself. My name is Gerardo Rafael, and with my friend Willy Haryanto, Jonathan Albert, and Gabriel Halim, today we would like to present our design called Smart Hygiene Trolley C19. Next. Our group consists of 7 semester students from Tarumanagara University with our supervisor, Nina Gozali, STMM, PhD, IPM, and Dr. Ahad Ali. Next. And this is our outline for the presentation starting from the introduction. And the final will be discussed is the financial aspect and our video about the prototyping and step-by-step assemble the smart trolley. Next.
When shopping, people very often use trolley as a tool in carrying goods. The trolley itself is a medium for transmitting the virus because many people use it and do not know whether they got exposed to the COVID-19 virus or not. Therefore, to prevent the transmission of COVID-19, we designed the Smart Hygiene Trolley C19. That is an innovation that allows people who shop using shopping trolleys to not hold nor touch your trolley handle. It is also equipped with glove and hand sanitizer facilities that make it easier for shoppers to pick up items that have been touched by many people hygienically. The trolley will also clean itself the whole time when the shopper changes with a disinfectant so that it is always hygienic and clean.
And here is the objective in designing Smart Hygiene Trolley C19. As you can see, first is creating a trolley that has a disinfectant feature to sterilize groceries on the trolley, creating a trolley that controls automatically from smartphone, creating hand sanitizer attachment where all of the feature in here is important to minimize the contact with the trolley and increasing the satisfaction stalls at the time of customer buying process inside the supermarket. Also the layout company and cash flow included.
Okay. Next, this is our research methodology for the flowchart. As you can see here, we start by conducted the market research and then continue by creating the product. Also, the last is creating the layout and the financial aspect for our product. Next.
And here for the market research, where the data collected of customer about the trolley from 100 respondents. For example, is gender, application control, and material and price of the market research can be shown in the screen.
For the market research, we use the questionnaire. We take the number of respondents in supermarket as many as 100 people because this number is the minimum number to conduct descriptive research. Based on the questionnaire, the customer concern when shopping at supermarket during this pandemic era can be seen in the table.
Now we move here for the feature for our product. As you can see here, from the market research from 100 respondents, it can be seen for the feature for trolley that could have the customer concern. With the greatest is can be found in trolley can move automatically using smartphone software with 95% respondent. And for the extra feature that should exist on our trolley have the most spot in bag hanger and price scanners, which will be implemented on our product design. Next. And now this is the customer needs, which conducted from 100 respondents by using the Likert scale with the range score from 0 until 100. It can be seen here from 11 variable of customer needs. There is 7 variable of customer needs with category very important and 4 categories that is important. Next. And then we conduct the validity test here. As you can see, by using the help of SPSS software, we use the confidence level of 95% and significance level of 5%, which if the air count is greater than air table, then the result is valid. And as we can see here, the air count is greater than the air table, so the result of our data that collected from our customers is valid. Next.
And here for our patent review, where the design trolley is from the first shopping cart that granted to its inventor, Sylvan Goldman, to the owner of Humpty Dumpty grocery store in Oklahoma City. The first patent here was essentially a folding chair with wheels and basket attached. At the time, the cart were initially a flop, but after the process, the patent of the inventor Sylvan Goldman was awarded in number 2,196,914. And for the title is Folding Basket Carriage for Self-Service Storage. So the principal design for Smart Hygiene Trolley C19 here is an improvement design for COVID-19 in industry era based on patent from Sylvan Goldman to help customer shopping safely and convenient experience. And here for the morphology concept, before we collect and analyze the list of customer needs, so we can create the morphology concept by using here, the table in here, where you can see from the screen, we can have 3 alternative tables that will be continue with training and assessment for each concept to get the best one to be created. And for the result, we created three different concept design that has been made alternative table, where A for concept 1, B for concept 2, and C for concept 3.
Next, we move here to the concept screening and assessments, which can be seen here. We have done the concept screening and concept assessment based on the 11 variables of the customer needs for the selection criteria. As you can see from the concept screening and concept assessment, the highest score can be found in concept 3 with the score value of 4.4883. So the ranking is number 1. So the concept 3 will be chosen as the final product concept. Next.
This machine is designed with the ergonomic aspect of trolley using tolerance 10%. The size of the smart trolley dimension can be seen in table. So this is the final look of Smart Hygiene Trolley C19 with the components. Smart Hygiene Trolley use the 7P of marketing strategy because it provides the company with variable to create value and generate a competitive advantage in marketing.
Now we move here. This is the product demand and the market share for the smart trolley. As you can see, we use the table of market share of 10%. The product demand found using the help of QM for Windows F5 software to do the forecasting method, which the forecasting method with the lowest error gonna be used as the forecasting for the demand of our product, and the less error can be found in quadratic method than any other method. So this is the product demand and the market share. Next. And this is our marketing strategy, which for promoting our product, we use Instagram ads, Google ads, and YouTube ads. Also, we participate on technology exhibition to promoting our product, which have an innovation on technology by implementing the Industry 4.0. Also, for the sales location of this product, we use the online shop platform and on the technology exhibition and the supermarket. Next.
Poster is one of variety ways to communicate with smart trolley target market because by using poster we can clearly display our message. This is the example of our poster for the marketing promote Smart Hygiene Trolley 19 with the price is $498. And it's our social media, we use Instagram for promoting our product, online purchase, or detail the product. The reason we use Instagram is because easy to target our market and we can engage with customer where they spend their time. And this is we use YouTube to promote with the video.
And here to create a layout company for production Smart Hygiene Trolley C19, we using the SLP method start from the RSC in the left side. The RSC is the activity relationship chart that show the level of importance for each category department in the company. So, and the result is the activity relationship diagram from the right side. Next. And here the area allocation diagram for the basic layout from activity relationship diagram before. Next. And here is the final for our company layout to product the trolley that has been designed.
Next is the financial aspect of Getan Gaily, which is our factory. Here we can see the investment cost, fixed cost, variable cost, and CSR and promotion cost. For CSR cost, we use 1% of our total income every year, which is $32,496.6. We also use the same value of our promotion cost, which is 1%. The following is the total capital for the first year, which is 2021. It includes investment cost, fixed cost, variable cost, and CSR and promotion fees. Next is the cash flow for Getan Gaily Corporation for 10-year period from 2020 to 2030. Based on the data from the cash flow that has been made, we perform feasibility study, which can be seen in the two tables below. Based on the first table, with a minimum acceptable rate of return of 10%, Getan Gaily would achieve an internal rate of return of 16.23%, B2C ratio of 1.26, and payback period of around 4 years. We can associate that since the NPV value is positive, B2C ratio is more than 1, and ERR value is more than MRR value, the investment for Smart Hygiene Trolley C19 is profitable, and hence Getan Gaily can go ahead with its business. And also on the second table on below, it can be seen that the BEP value that Getan Gaily has is 6,770.08 units. This means Getan Gaily needs to sell at least over 6,770 771 units of smart hygiene trolleys in 19 in the span of 10 years to reach the break-even point.
Next, we move to our video. Can you play the video?
You want to
Okay.
shop at supermarkets but afraid to because of unsterile groceries and trolleys? Meet Smart Hygiene Trolley C19, automatic trolley that will protect you from COVID-19 virus.
Now this is the product demand and market share. Also, this is our concept selection, such as discussed before, from the three concept, which is the selection by concept screening and concept assessment. It can be found that concept 3 is the final concept for our product. And now this is the assemble step by step for our product. It starts by assembling the wheel and the wheel to trolley connection, and then next we assemble the multi-purpose plates that conclude such as press scanner, multi-purpose plates, back hanger, and many other components. Next we assemble trolley driver components, include DC motor and many other components. And then we assemble the trolley body to the trolley frame here, and then we connect the wheel to the trolley body, which has been assembled before. Then continue by assembling the handle and also the multi-purpose plates to the trolley body. And we continue by assembling the trolley body, the drive component, and assemble the drive sensor so the trolley will move automatically here. And the final step is we assemble sterilizer to the trolley's body. Okay, next this is our features of our product. First is the sterilizer here to sterilize the goods from supermarket after we buy. Then there is glove machine case, and there is hand sanitizer machine to maintain the hygiene of our hand when shopping. And the last is the trolley could move automatically using the help of software smartphone. And this is our area location diagram and common layout as discussed before, and this is our case flow and our feasibility study of our company, and this is our product with price of around $500, and this is our Instagram. And the last is this our comparison for our product before and after using the product. After we use our product, the trolley could automatically using the help of smartphone application. And then there is some sterilizer which could help to sterilize the groceries and trolley's body. Next, we have hand sanitizer and glove to help maintain hand hygiene from COVID-19 virus when shopping at supermarket. And the last is with the smartphone application and price scanner can request the direct contact with cashier. And this is our tagline which makes shopping better. Next.
You want to
And that brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you for our opportunity to present our design today. I would like to give it back to Professor Dr. Donald Reimer. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Great use of graphics. Very exciting, dynamic presentation. Obviously, quite a bit of teamwork went into this project. I just thought it was very, very interesting. In your patent search, there was really at that time very few products that were similar to yours in terms of the actual design. I noticed your design was kind of innovative in many respects. Is that what you found in your patent search?
Yes, there is some innovation of our patent search here, which is from manual trolley. Now we create a more innovative trolley which could move automatically and have some sterilize and many other components such as sterilizer, hand sanitizer, glove machine case, and many other components,
Yeah.
which is some innovation.
Okay. Today, at least in America, we have wipes, and many stores actually have, retail stores have sanitizer available as you walk in the store. I think your idea has gone a step further than that. Okay, time constraints are here. I did not know if Dr. Pappas, do you have a question or a comment?
No, I have to agree with your comments, Professor Raymond. Very innovative, very interesting, and actually, it's something that maybe also nice to have here.
Yes, yes, very, very innovative design. So
Good
thank you so
job.
much. Yeah, go ahead. So thank you very much for sharing. Thank you, faculty advisors, for your help as well. And we would like to move on to our next presenter, and that will be the Echo cup holder. So our